Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Can I come in?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, you
That's the first person I've seen do that. That's a good idea.
I actually saw that somebody else do it. I usually keep a white sheet over my windshield to keep the heat off of it.
Yeah.
It actually stays a lot cooler in here, and that's why I still have a windshield.
There you go. Yeah. That's smart. I like that. Yeah.
It works out really good.
I think your name's Joey?
Yeah.
I remember your name then, yes. And this is the Slayer build.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Those are some pretty cool stout cone subs. Wow, that's different.
They're epoxy.
Okay.
Yeah, I split a cone at sundown last year. I didn't even make it in the gate, and I completely decapitated one.
Man.
And it's the one in the back top, so I had to pull all my subs. So I spent the whole show pulling my subs out.
Yeah.
But they took care of me, man.
Yes, sir.
I went
Wow.
in there Monday, and they handled it right there.
Awesome. So what's Joey's your name? What else in here real quick? So
I've got 6 Nightshade version 4.5s.
Okay.
They're basically Nightshade version 5s. They just don't have the long shorting ring, and obviously the motor structure collar's different. I've got 6 Salt 8Ks, half foam each, 3 Singer 320s under the hood, total of 8 runs, 0, 2 out front to back, 9 XP 3000 batteries, 3400 under the hood.
Wow.
And then PRV 8s, 4-inch door, and those pile tweeters actually do really good for being inexpensive.
Nice. Looks good. I know your back's not open, but is there a way I can see the back?
Oh, I'm opening it right now.
Awesome.
Open that back door on your way around.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I got a 3500 on each door,
Okay.
so I'm dumping a lot of power to it.
Yes. Yeah.
Crazy thing is, I had all this running through 125 amp fuse, and it never popped.
Really? Oh, wow.
I was having issues.
Yeah.
I think the year you got footage of me, I was having issues where my doors and stuff were cutting out,
Yeah.
and that's why.
I remember that. Yeah. You were having speaker issues. Yep. That's awesome right there. I like it. Wow. So is your battery bank here?
Yes.
Behind it?
Yes.
Okay. That's great. Wow. Thank you for showing me again, Joey.
Hey man,
I really like it.
I like watching your videos.
I love it.
It's
Yes,
a
sir.
pleasure to give you a demo.
Yes, sir. Thank you for watching.
I get that a lot, but I mean,
Yes, sir. Woo. All right.
ready?
Yes, sir. awesome.
goal when I had it built. I wanted to be able to play a little bit of everything, and I think it does it quite well.
Yeah, yes, definitely. Awesome. Thank you very much again, Joey.
Hey, no
And Emma,
problem.
I love it. That is
It's a
awesome.
pleasure.